Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to create a FAQ page in Shopify. It's super easy and will help your customers find answers fast, making their shopping experience smoother. Let's get started. Now let's go to the online store section and then hit customize to access our home page. Let's go to the top right here and then let's click on pages. Then here let's click on default page. Here we can determine what the default page layout is going to be for our website. So currently our page will just start with the page name as a title right here, which I think looks a bit boring. So we are going to do something different. First, let's just hide this section by clicking on the eye right here, and then let's add a new section and choose the image banner. Then for banner height, I am going to choose small. I want to delete this right here. So let's click on the text, click on the trash icon, and then let's delete the buttons right here by clicking on the trash icon again. For this heading right here, I am going to make this large, and that is basically it for our default page layout. Now every page that we need to our store will have this image banner. We can add contact here as a heading for the contact page. We can add about us for the about page, and obviously we can just change the background image for each single page. So let's save our changes, but first let's also create our FAQ page. Let's go to the page builder and go to the pages. Click on create template. Now we are going to create the template for the FAQ page. So let's type in FAQ and click on create template. Then first let's create the banner. Let's change this text to FAQ. Then let's change the background image. So let's click on the select image and add a image. Click on done. Now let's add our FAQ section below. So let's click on add section. For our FAQs, we are going to add the collapsible content section. Then let's customize this section by clicking on it. First, I am going to change the title here to something like find your answers here. Then we can move on and customize each of these questions. So let's go back, and I'm actually going to delete all of them except one. So I can create one template for all my questions. Then let's click on the one we still have. And first, I'm going to delete this check mark here by going to icon and then choosing none. That is basically it for the template. Now, to create more of them, we can just go to the three dot here and click on duplicate for however many FAQ questions we have. Now, let's say the first question is, how can I track my order? We can just go to the heading here and then write the question, how can I track my order? Then down here, we can add the answer to the question, and we want to do the same thing for all questions. So select the second one and fill out everything here. Then one more thing I would add to the FAQ page is a link to the contact page for everybody who didn't find an answer to their question. So let's go to the overview here and click on add section, and then just add a rich text section. I'm going to change the heading here to couldn't find your answer, and making the heading size small. Then also change this text right here to something that makes sense. I'm going to link this button to the contact page. Go to the link, then go to pages and choose contact. Also change the label to contact us. That's it. Let's save our changes. Now just like before, we have just created the template for our FAQ page. Now we have to create the actual page and assign it to this template. So let's go back to our Shopify dashboard, go to online store, pages, add a new page and call it FAQ. Then for theme template, we are going to choose FAQ and click save. Thanks for watching. Now you know how to create a FAQ page in Shopify, which can really help reduce customer enquiries. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments.